Hi guys, so in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram login issue. So if you have any problem with the login, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing guys, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is just scroll down until you find the Instagram app. When you find it, you have to click on it like this and then click on the storage right here, click on clear data and clear cache, go back, click on the power usage details and then disable the power consumption alert, go back, click on the power usage details again, scroll down and click on this force stop down here, you will find it down. Go back, now you have to restart your phone and reopen Instagram and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.